Welcome back. There are a number of Basecamp integrations with Google and Google Tools. Probably too many to mention here in this video. However, we will review a few of them. You'll see integrations with Google Spreadsheets. You'll see integrations with Google Drive. You'll see integrations with Google Calendar. And as you would expect, there are connections with Gmail and Basecamp. Probably the most directly related would be Google Tasks. And what you can do with your Basecamp tasks is you can have to-do lists placed inside of your Google Task. And so to do this, we're going to click Use this Zap. We're now going to create the Zap. And then we're going to create a new to-do item as the trigger. We'll then add our Basecamp account. We will then select our account. Then we'll choose the project. Then we'll choose the particular to-do list. Once we've done that, we'll then click Continue. Then we'll do the Fetch and Continue test. We'll verify that the test is successful, then we'll click Continue. Then we'll create a task. We'll now add in our Google account. We'll allow Zapier to manage our tasks. And then we'll click Save and Continue. So we'll now choose a particular task list, and we'll now click Continue. We'll then send a test to Google Tasks. We'll then verify our test, and we'll then click Finish. Now our integration is now turned on so that a new to-do will automatically be directed to be a new task in Google Tasks. This will allow us to keep track of our activity in Google Tasks if that's where we manage our to-do list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.